In today's video, I am going to teach you how to plan trips in Notion. Whether you are organizing a quick weekend getaway or a multi-city adventure, Notion makes it simple to keep everything in one tidy place. We'll walk through setting up your workspace with a ready-made travel template and show you how to make it your own without any overwhelm. First, create a Notion account. You can do this on the web or in the desktop or mobile app. Once you are in, add a new page to your workspace. On that blank page, look for the Templates option. Depending on your screen size, you'll see it in the page body or near the sidebar. Click Templates to open Notion's gallery of pre-built pages. Next, choose a travel-specific template that fits your style. You'll find options like the Plan a Trip with Notion AI template or a comprehensive travel planner template. Preview a few to see how they're structured. Some highlight a single itinerary with day-by-day checklists, while others include sections for budget, packing, and reservation trackers. If you prefer assistance drafting ideas like day plans or must-see lists, the Plan a Trip template with AI can help you brainstorm within the page. If you want everything mapped out in one place from the start, the more robust travel planner template might be ideal. Pick the one that feels the most intuitive for the way you plan. Then, click the Duplicate button, usually in the top right corner of the template preview. This adds a personal copy to your workspace, so you can edit freely without affecting the original. Your duplicated page will appear in your sidebar, ready to customize for your next trip. Now, fill in the details. Most travel templates come with clear sections for your destination: travel dates, flight information, accommodation, details, and activities. Add your trip name and destination to keep things easy to spot later. Enter your start and end dates so calendars and timelines line up correctly. In the flight section, note airline, flight numbers, departure and arrival times, and any confirmation codes. For accommodations, capture the property name, address, check-in and check-out times, and booking references. In the activities area, list what you want to do each day. You can include links to tickets or maps. Add notes like opening hours or costs, and use any built-in tags or status fields to mark what's confirmed versus tentative. Keep everything consistent. Use the same date formats and naming style so it's effortless to scan on the go. And that's it. You've set up a clean, reliable system to plan trips in Notion from start to finish. Thanks for watching.